Hello and welcome to ClickCease. Let's block some fraud. In this video, I'm going to briefly explain protected versus excluded campaigns. First off, you can locate this feature by going to Domain Settings, hover and click on Manage Auto IP Blocking, then scroll to almost the bottom. In this section, you'll see protected campaigns. These are all your campaigns that are protected by ClickCease. And on the right, you'll see excluded campaigns. These are your campaigns that are not being auto-blocked by ClickCease. If you'd like to move a campaign to either side, you can click on that particular campaign and click on either Send to Exclusion List, which will move it over here and stop the auto-blocking for that campaign, or Send to Protected List, which will activate ClickCease to auto-block that particular campaign. And make sure you click on either Refresh Campaigns or Update Campaigns to lock in and save your changes. And that's it. If you have any questions, please reach out at any time. ClickCease is here 24/7 to help and support you. Have a fraud-free day.